welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the review of the Matrica Signature Premium Notebooks and the 2021 bullet journal setup. So now this is the book. After searching a lot of times in Amazon, I landed up with this amazing journal. So let's get started. So we have a elastic zip to keep all the contents of the bullet journal perfect. In the end we have three envelope, and we even have three bookmarks to keep in our bullet journal. And this is the front page of my bullet journal. Here we can write our name and our contact. I've written my name in simple calligraphy here. And then we have a couple of blank pages, and then comes the index pages. As of now, I have not filled the index pages, but I will be filling it in the days to come. So now after the index pages are over, we have the new year, that is 2021. So I have made this page very simple. I have just written it in black color marker. And the next page is the key page. Usually in a bullet journal, we keep a key page, and here we write about the different symbols which we will be using in our bullet journal. And I've drawn a small doodle of a girl. And then the quote of the year, let the adventure begin. I know 2020 has been a very hard year for many of them. So now I just want 2021 to be a little adventurous, so I can travel to different parts of the world and enjoy life. And there's this little cute rocket over here, paper rocket. And then after that, here we have the next 2 pages of my bullet journal, which is about the glimpse of the 2020 year, which was quite difficult for most of us. So I want to write the main things which happened, which I want to carry forward to the next year. And then in Welcome 21 page, I'll be writing what I'm looking forward in this year and what I will be doing this year. And then this is the next page. This is the grid spacing page. So in this page, in every bullet journal, it is good to have a grid spacing page, because this page will make us convenient to know how many boxes we have to divide. So suppose now I want to divide my page vertically by 4, then I will know that using 7 grid spaces I will be able to do this. A picture of this grid spacing, you can find it in our Instagram page, which we will be putting it in the link below. And then the next page is the goals page. I've done a small doodling over here, and then I've set 8 goals. The red color boxes will be showing my main goals, and the rest will be my other goals. So that's all for the goals page. I can't wait to fill all of these. And then after that, this is the future log. The future log, I made it very simple because I'm not sure whether I'll be using it a lot, because usually for saving all the birthdays and all the important dates, I use my phone. So I don't think I'll be using this as much, but yeah, I will be using it. So I've done it, but if you want, you can do 3 in a page. I've done 6 in a page, and yeah, it does take time, but it is really good that you have a future log. The next page is the health tracker. So this is the health tracker. This is something I've done like a year in pixels. So top I have given all the months, first letters, and then after that here I have given the dates, and here I have highlighted some colors. So these are the colors which I'll be filling it in the health tracker. So each color will be denoting any disease or any sickness which I get. So every time I get any sickness, I will be highlighting it in the health tracker. So at the end of the year, I will be knowing how healthy I am. The next is budget tracker. It's very important to save our money. So yeah, and tracking it is very good. So now here I have 4 columns. One is the incomes, expense, savings, and total. So this I'll be having even a monthly budget tracker. So this will be the final, like the top view of all the months tracker. So here I'll have all the months, and here I'll have another column called the final, where I'll be denoting all my year's income, the expense, the savings, and the total amount which I am saving. yeah, that's it for the budget tracker. And then next is my most favorite page of the bullet journal. So this is the watch and read page. So in this I will be writing down all the movies and books which I read, or the webtoons I read. So here I have decided this year that I will be writing it, and I will also be writing a word about it, like a sentence, something about it, and I will be also giving a review. So this is the last page of my 2021 bullet journal setup. In Matrika's bullet journal we have 216 dot grid pages, and it is very good that it is all numbered, so it will be easy for us to write in our index. And then we have a couple of pages. So here I have done some pen swatches, my brush pens, my markers, my liners and everything. So as you can see, there is a bit of ghosting, but there is no bleeding. I feel like this is enough for a beginner. And then after that we have a couple of cute sticky notes and stickers here. Here we can write whatever we want and we can stick them in, and these are like super cute. We have all different like movies, coffee, like if you go to any cafe, you go to any good restaurants, you can write them down. And if you're getting injected, if you're visiting the doctor, all this can be given here. And we have very cute stickers. We have a totally 4 sticker sheets in this, and all the stickers I have my heart. I really love all of these. And yeah, this is the last sticker page, and this one is also really cute. We have an owl, we have stars, we have an idea bulbs and all that. And then we have the last few pages are like books to read. I'm not sure whether I'll be using all these places to visit contacts. I don't think we use contacts page anymore because we use some mobile phones. And yeah, that's it for the journal, and I think I'm going to use this really good. So thank you for watching till the last of the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my page. And please make sure to subscribe me on Instagram too. I will be posting the 2021 January bullet journal setup and flip through soon. Take care. Bye bye.